Hey guys, welcome back to Your Kitchen, Your Rule. We are back after vacation and this time we are going to make easy Alfredo pasta or white sauce pasta. It's kids' favorite and I will show you the easy way to prepare this pasta, and that's with lots of tips and tricks. But before we start, please consider to subscribe my channel and hit the bell so you will be notified by my new upcoming recipes. So now let's start. The first step is to boil the pasta. For that, I am taking 7 to 8 cups of water in a wide pan. Add salt and oil so that the pasta doesn't stick after cooking and stay separated. Now I have here 1 and 1/2 cup of penne pasta. It goes well with white sauce. Now we will cook the pasta into the boiling water until it's done around 80%. It might take around 8 to 10 minutes, depends on the variety of the pasta. The best way to cook the pasta properly is to read and follow the instruction of the packaging. Now, after around 10 minutes, the pasta seems cooked 80%. Remember, don't cook all the way. If you cook it completely right now, it will be a total mess when we mix it with white sauce. The pasta should be hard enough to hold the shape when we cook it into the white sauce. Now drain the water and wash the pasta well in normal water to get rid of all the excess starch. I will be back after washing it. The pasta is ready. Now drizzle some oil so that it doesn't stick. Now keep it aside and we will move to the next step, which is making white sauce. To make white sauce, take milk in a pan and heat up the milk and let it come to boil. While the milk is boiling, take a small pan, add butter, add all-purpose flour or Maida, and we will cook the flour with butter until the rawness goes, around few minutes. Now the milk has reached to the boiling point and the flour is also cooked. We will add the roasted flour into the milk. Now as soon as the flour gets added, the milk will start thickening. At this point, continue whisk the milk, otherwise the flour might sit into the bottom and it might burn also. So keep whisking. Now add cream. It makes the sauce creamy and silky smooth. Mix well. Now to season the sauce, add black pepper powder and mix. Keep whisking while you add the spices, otherwise the spices will form a lump due to hot sauce and it will not get incorporated with the sauce, so keep mixing. Now salt, sugar, and this is the secret ingredient which makes the huge difference. It's nutmeg. I am using freshly grated nutmeg, but you can use the powder also. Just a pinch. Don't use more than that, otherwise the sauce will taste bitter. Now all the spices are incorporated and our sauce is ready. It will become thick after cooling. Now let's move to the final step. That's stir fry veggies and assemble the sauce and pasta with them. I would suggest you to use olive oil when you make any pasta or pizza or any other Italian food. The flavor goes well with this oil. But if you don't have olive oil, then use any flavorless oil like sunflower. Now, this is 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic. It seems too much, but it's necessary to balance the cheesiness of the sauce with garlicky flavor. Now I have here few exotic veggies like broccoli, red bell peppers, baby corn which I have sliced, capsicum, carrot and black olives. Well, black olives are totally optional. I am adding because I like it in my Italian dishes, but you can totally avoid it if you don't wish to. All the veggies are raw, only the broccoli is parboiled. I blanched it in boiling water and then after few minutes of cooking, I immediately transfer it in iced water so that the color remains fresh. Now add veggies in pan and stir fry. Now here you can use any veggies of your choice. It is not at all necessary to use these particular veggies. Only garlic is necessary, other than you can use capsicum, corn kernels, zucchini, anything which you like. Now cook the veggies for few minutes. I like the crunch of veggies while eating the pasta, so I am cooking the veggies till 60 to 70% done. Now season the veggies with salt. Remember, we already have salt in white sauce, so add salt accordingly. Oregano and chili flakes. Now you can adjust the amount of spices after adding sauce and pasta. Mix everything well and cook for couple of minutes. Now I am adding white sauce. I would suggest you to add sauce as needed. Cook the sauce along with the veggies for few minutes so that the veggies and spices will be incorporated with sauce. Now add fresh cream. It will make the sauce creamy. I have added olives on this stage, and now I am adding processed cheese and mix. The sauce looks creamy and cheesy and delicious. I am adding some more chili flakes to make it spicy. On this stage, you can adjust the taste by adding black pepper powder, chili flakes, oregano or salt as per your taste. Now a tip. Add garlic powder in this sauce. It gives the sauce that mild garlicky flavor which tastes so good with cheesy sauce. Now the sauce is ready. See the consistency. It's creamy, cheesy and so tasty. Remember, never make your sauce thick by using a lot of flour. Use the flour as you need it. The cheese and cream will do its job well. If you add too much flour to thicken the sauce, you will need to add milk to adjust the consistency later on, which might spoil the taste. So make semi-liquidy sauce in the beginning, and after adding cheese and cream, it will be perfect consistency. It's just a tip which I learned by experiences through my cooking journey. Anyways, lastly add pasta and mix. Cook everything for few minutes so that everything incorporates well. Our pasta is ready. Now let's quickly make garlic bread to serve with it. In a pan, take butter, add garlic, oregano, chili flakes and mix well. Add some coriander leaves also. Now coat the bread well with this flavorful butter and cook it by changing sides until the bread gets crispy. I am using griddle pan here, but the flat tawa would also work fine. Now the garlic bread is ready. The pasta is also ready. Now let's serve. Make this pasta this weekend and share your experiences with me. And I will see you soon next week with another delicious recipe. Till then, bye.